First line. My favorite hobby is drawing. Second line. I enjoy drawing in my free time. Third line. Drawing makes me feel happy and relaxed. Fourth line. I like to draw nature, animals, and cartoons. Fifth line. I use pencils, colors, and sketch pens for my drawings. Sixth line. Drawing helps me express my ideas and imagination. Seventh line. I practice drawing every day to improve my skills. Eighth line. My teachers and friends appreciate my drawings. Ninth line. Drawing also helps me stay creative and focused. 10th line. I love my drawing hobby very much.